the Philippines. Ganun lang talaga yan eh. Hindi mo pwedeng bulabulahin si Putin at saka si President Xi na, oh, we're friends, but you still have deployment of military assets of the Americans in different parts of the Philippines. They are not stupid. They are very intelligent people and very smart. You know, they are very mature leaders, world leaders. So, come on, give me a break. So, yun ang dapat siguro isipin ng mga Pilipino at lalo na ng ating presidente na hindi ko maintindihan kung naiintindihan nga ba niya yung danger at na nasa bingit tayo ng, you know, dangerous situation, critical situation. Eh, hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan niya eh. Ang tinatawag mong treaty kasi yan, ang tawag dyan is Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty that was signed in 1987 between Ronald Reagan and Soviet Premier Mikhail Gorbachev na yung dalawang bansa